Okay, good morning ladies and gentlemen and fellow young scientists. My name is Steve and this is Tracy, who's going to be my assistant today. So today's experiments we're going to be looking at flammability and explosions. So can anybody tell me about flammability?
It's when if you put a flame to it, it can go up in the big flame.
Yeah, close enough, yeah. What flammability is basically when you have the right mixture of oxygen and the right mixture of a chemical, combine them together and it can cause an explosion. So, what we're going to look at today, first chemical we're going to look at is acetone. Tracy's just going to pass it around. Acetone is a steady chemical. Now, when I mean steady and stable chemical, it basically, as soon as you spill it, it will evaporate within a matter of a minute. So, okay. So the equipment we're going to be using today is called a bang box. Okay, so we've got a metal cylinder, we've got a mixing fan, so right, and then we've got ignition. So the ignition is basically what you see on a gas cooker at home. So what we're going to do, Tracy's going to do, she's going to put some drops into the cylinder. But first, I'm about Tracy, what should we all do before we do experiments? Safety. So while Tracy's putting the drops in, what I want you to do is keep an eye on this ruler and tell me how high the cork top will blow off, okay?
We'll start with 5 drops today.
Start with 5 drops.
All right, so we'll give it a good old mix. So can everyone count to 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh! That was a bit disappointing.
No, it was, wasn't it? Why do you think it didn't blow up then? 5 drops of acetone. Not enough? Okay. So what we're going to do now, we're going to put a bit more in. How much more are we going to put in, Tracy?
Shall we go for 8 drops?
8 drops.
Okay, so again, we'll give it a good old mix, making the acetone evaporate, mixing with the air, and hopefully this time we might get something.
Can anybody tell me how high that went? Right to the ceiling, yeah? That was with 10 drops, yeah?
So you think we should put all of it in now? Really? I don't know.
I don't think we will. I think we'll just put a few more drops
Shall
in.
I put 15 in?
Put 15
we'll
drops
start
in.
off small.
Okay. Yeah, just move it back a bit, Trace.
Right. Okay, so we'll give it a good mix again. So how high? Going to go out the top of the roof? No. Here we go. Everybody hold on. Oh.
So what happened there then? What do you think happened there? Oh, too much, yeah. So we've got too much chemicals, but not enough oxygen, okay? So now we're going to look at another chemical, methanol. Does anybody know what methanol is used for?
Is it drugs?
Drugs? It could be, I suppose. They use it for cleaning paintbrushes, okay? Getting paint off the paintbrushes. Now, methanol's a unsteady chemical, okay? So basically, if we spill chemical, the chemical should stay on the floor 1, 2, or 3, or 4 hours. So what we're going to look at now is, how many drops do we do now, Tracy?
We'll start with 30. So this is
30
double
drops.
what we had for acetone. Do we think it's going to be a bigger bang? No? Ooh. Shall we give it a go?
Okay.
It might set on fire. Okie doke, give it a good mix. Count to 10 again for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoa!
Okay, so that's just touched the ceiling with 30 drops. So how many more drops do you think we should put in? Who said 60? Hands up who said 60. We'll go with 60.
Okay. Okay, so 60 drops in there. Again, count to 10 for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoa! Where'd that go?
Okay, so that's a bit more harder. It's hit the ceiling harder. So what should we do now? 70 drops. Okay.
Yeah, I think we should put all of it in, Steve.
All right, we'll put all of it in.
Want all of it in? Yeah, we'll stick all of it in, see what happens. About 100. So there's about 100 drops in there. Okay, count to 10 for me again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So as you can see, chemicals react in different ways, okay? So methanol, we've had to put a lot more drops in to cause a bigger explosion, whereas acetone, we've only had to use 10 to 15 drops. And that concludes our experiments for today.